Hey guys, this is Robert and here's the package, so let's open up and see what's inside. Here's a bag. It's two iPhone 3.5mm jack to lightning cables. See if it does anything. Connect it to my phone. Lock it. Okay, so I'm gonna plug it in that. Recognizes something earlier. It's for just listening. Guess I'll try it later. But that is it. If you're interested in these items, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support your channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.